Hello guys, today we discuss about Kubernetes. Kubernetes, often abbreviated as KITES, is an open source platform designed to automate the deployment, scaling and management of containerized applications. Originally developed by Google, Kubernetes is now maintained by the Cloud Native Computing Foundation. Key features of Kubernetes: automated rollouts and rollbacks. Kubernetes can automatically roll out changes to your application or its configuration, ensuring minimal downtime. If something goes wrong, it can roll back the changes to maintain stability. Service discovery and load balancing it. It provides each container with its own IP address and a single DNS name for a set of containers, enabling efficient load balancing and service discovery. Storage orchestration. Kubernetes can automatically mount the storage system of your choice, whether from local storage, a public cloud provider, or a network storage system. SelfHealing. It restarts containers that fail, replaces and reschedules containers when nodes die, and kills containers that don't respond to user-defined health checks. Secret and configuration management. Kubernetes allows you to deploy and update secrets and application configuration without rebuilding your image and without exposing secrets in your stack configuration. Automatic bin packing. It places containers based on their resource requirements and other constraints, optimizing resource utilization. Benefits of using Kubernetes. Scalability. Designed to scale from a single server to thousands of machines, Kubernetes can handle large-scale complex applications. Flexibility. It supports a wide range of container runtimes and can run on various infrastructures, including on-premises, hybrid, and public clouds. Community and ecosystem. Kubernetes has a large active community and a rich ecosystem of tools and extensions, making it a robust choice for container orchestration. Kubernetes is widely adopted by companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and many others for its ability to manage containerized applications efficiently. Kubernetes architecture. 1. Control plane components. The control plane manages the Kubernetes cluster and ensures the desired state of the applications. API server. The central management entity that exposes the Kubernetes API. It processes REST operations and updates the state of the cluster. A consistent and highly available key value store used for storing all cluster data. Scheduler assigns workloads to specific nodes based on resource availability and other constraints. Controller manager runs various controllers to handle routine tasks such as node management, replication, and endpoint management. Cloud Controller Manager integrates with cloud service providers to manage cloud-specific resources. 2. Node components. Nodes are the machines, virtual or physical, that run containerized applications. Kubelet, an agent that runs on each node, ensuring that containers are running in a pod. Kubeproxy maintains network rules on nodes, enabling communication between pods and services. Container runtime, the software responsible for running containers such as Docker or container. Cluster architecture. A Kubernetes cluster consists of multiple nodes, including at least one master node, control plane, and several worker nodes. Master node manages the cluster and coordinates all the activities including scheduling, scaling, and updates. Worker nodes execute the workloads assigned by the master node. Each worker node runs the container runtime kubelet and kube proxy. 4. Communication. Internal communication. Components within the cluster communicate via the API server. External communication. Users and external systems interact with the cluster through the API server, typically using Kubectl or other tools. If you have any specific questions about Kubernetes or need help with a particular aspect, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.